We are told that TOGAF should be tailored to meet your company needs. But what does that really mean? Using everything provided by the Open Group might not work for you, and using only a very small part of TOGAF might mean that you're not really using TOGAF at all. So how can you draw what is essential from TOGAF or other approaches like Zachman to create a solid approach for enterprise architecture governance that matches the culture and needs of your company while retaining all of the characteristics of an effective architectural practice? I'll show you how to identify the key elements of TOGAF and apply the key characteristics of architecting an enterprise. And I'll show you how to select the techniques and concepts that work best for your company, and show you how to find and apply techniques that are not covered in TOGAF. Join us on August the 4th for this webinar, Tailoring TOGAF, how to implement an adapted, simplified version of TOGAF to meet the culture and needs of your company. You'll also get the opportunity to ask me your questions about how to implement TOGAF in your organisation.